Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a classic coding interview problem: remove all adjacent duplicates. This problem is a fantastic introduction to using the stack data structure efficiently. Let's define the problem. You are given a string, for example, abaca. Your task is to remove two adjacent letters if they are equal. But here is the catch. Once you remove them, the remaining letters might form new adjacent duplicates, and you must keep removing them until no more exist. Here is a visual breakdown. First, we spot the double B. We remove them. Now, the two A's that were separated by the B's become adjacent, so we remove those A's as well. We are left with ka. This recursive nature suggests we need a way to look back at what we just processed. This is where the stack data structure shines. The last in, first out principle is perfect here. Think of the stack as our memory of valid characters. We only ever need to compare the current character we are looking at with the very last character we added to our valid pile. Let's walk through the example abaca. We start with a. Our stack is empty, so we simply push a onto it. It's waiting there to be compared with the next character. Next is B. We peek at the top of our stack, which is a. Since B is not equal to a, we push B onto the stack. Our stack now remembers the sequence ob. Now we encounter the second B. We check the top of the stack and see a B, a match. This means we have found an adjacent duplicate. Instead of adding this new B, we pop the existing B off the stack. They essentially cancel each other out. Moving on to the next letter, we look at the stack again. Since the B's are gone, the top of the stack is now the first A we added. It's a match again, so we pop that O off as well. The stack is now empty. Finally, we process C and the last A. Since there are no duplicates for them on the stack, we just push them one by one. Our final stack contains C and A, giving us the result ka. Here is the implementation in Python. We initialize an empty list to act as our stack. We loop through every character in the string. If the stack has items and the top item matches our current character, we pop. Otherwise, we append. Finally, we join the list back into a string. For complexity, this solution is very efficient. The time complexity is big O of n because we process each character exactly once. The space complexity is also big O of n in the worst case, where there are no duplicates to remove.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.